A reverse spirit ash. A revered spirit ash, actually.
I think it's riveted, but
Nah, that's revered.
let me see.
Riveted doesn't make sense.
It is a revered. There you go. You were right for once. Yeah, you're a loser. No way, right? Watch out, because only the best of the best are making that shit. Jesus Christ. Wait, hold on. That's what they want you to do, is give up.
I mean, it's a way down, so what's even the point?
To go back up the way down, you know? I mean, I said before, oh, just wait, just you wait. No, I fucked it up. Uh-huh.
Yeah.
Yes,
Huh?
sir. Yes. Yes.
You made it all the way up top.
Yes, sir. What a terrible game. I mean, worst game in the world, hands down. They wanted you to give up, bro. No, sir. Not me. And all we gotta do is cross a bridge that's like in front of us. You gotta like jump to the right on that last one. I guess you get to the same spot, huh? I fucked up bad, man. And you made it too, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's just so fucking terrible on my part. I got so impatient. I wanted to get closer to you. Look how fucking deep you are. Wait, I can teleport. Perfect. I got so impatient just now. You made it up there?
Yeah.
No, my runes are at the top. Let's play a game. I think this might be like the first one ever where
Yeah.
they
That
let
you
you
could get
do this.
up.
Yeah. Wow, I made it. Where'd you go? You just went up?
This right here. I don't see you though.
Wait, no, I saw you really. Oh, okay.
Oh, yeah,
I just saw you waiting up here. This just feels wrong.
There's a fire over there.
Oh my god, is that an actual cave? They still do these? I don't know the technique.
Yeah, but I'm still on you.
Dragon's
so what's the
Pit? I don't know about that. Oh wait, no way you just tried that.
I didn't try it.
You looked away.
I don't know why I didn't. Like, it didn't work right away.
Why did we just get this?
What did we get?
A Crimson Tried tier. You not get that?
No.
What? Crimson Burst Dried Tier, and I got a Furnace Visage. Like, just for nothing. Hold on, let me see how I get this crystal tier on Google.
Yeah, I don't give a fuck.
But it's pretty cool though.
Yeah, you know, we're explorers, so if the game fucks up, that's not us, you know, not being explorers type shit.
I feel like that one's such a crazy item that it wouldn't disappear off the floor. But at the same
I
time,
don't
like,
think it would be
why
on the
is
floor.
it dead though? Like, I'm so annoyed.
Yeah, especially like if it's not even over here. I thought it was gonna be like in this cave or something.
We got these things. So there's like mysterious music playing.
And we were invaded.
There's like a lot of ways down. Does this lead to the same place we were just at?
That we're looking at? Yeah,
There's like
probably.
there.
The fact that he has to come together and we still have
Oh,
to kill him.
down. Go up first. Oh, I hope I don't fall. Oh shit.
What the fuck? We're
Oh, wow,
invaded,
he
by
hit
the
me.
way.
He hit me. So that's cool. Dude, okay. Sure, man. You're gonna die.
He's here, and he's like the guy invading is here.
He died.
He died to the fire.
Wow, I'm so glad that that worked. Now I just gotta go all the way back.
There you go.
Dude, he won't let me spawn my thing. He starts his attack immediately. And like his whole body's a hitbox now. Where am I tripping? It like it literally wasn't like this before. Like what is going on? I'm not tripping, right? Like look, I can't even get next
Yeah,
to
you
him.
can't even touch him.
I'm gonna die. I'm literally gonna die. How do they expect you to fight something that won't let you go up to it? It's so
Man, fucking killed me
stupid.
too.
That shit just pissed me off because it wasn't like that before. You could go to his back legs while he was doing that shit.
Yeah, anything he touches just fucking hurts you.
I have to find my
I will go all the way back there. What the fuck? He's still kind of low on health, at least.
bringing up my Reducia. I have to stay too low.
Yeah. But it's only when he's doing the fire thing. It was when.
Yeah, but like.
I needed to
That
see.
was the biggest waste of attack ever. What the
I needed
fuck?
to see. I don't want to hear it. That's the first time I've ever done it. And you've done it multiple
What
times.
sucks about it is that like it's just ancient.
Now you know how it feels when I'm. Yeah, that is crazy.
No, I'm just saying like I only started saying it after the fact that it did nothing to him. It sucks because now it's just gonna cement you never doing it ever again.
Yeah.
every single time I've done this, shit's taking chunks. Where the fuck does this go? Right back down?
Yeah.
Yeah, wow. Crazy how you don't even see things like that. I guess it was worth it.
I mean, the ancient dragon.
Be brave, show no fear. What are you trying to say? That we're scared?
We gotta just walk across to it 100%.
I think he wants to jump though. Fuck you. Well,
Did you survive it?
of course I did. It's a boss fight.
Uh,
I'm just kidding. I fucking died. Did your heart drop a little bit when I said that?
no.
Of course it did.
I was looking at your health the whole time.
Oh man. Oh my god. He has a
Ancient
blood
dragon,
blade.
man. Oh shit.
He's gonna, oh my god, he's a one hitter, bro. He's gonna, why do I always press RP to try and heal again? Oh, we're
Oh,
dead.
this is where you got it. Ah, that's one shot.
He has the magnum gun too. Oh.
Bam.
That was bound to happen. You fucking started panic rolling when you saw that head.
Yeah. Because I was already like
I
attacking
have that
or
though,
something.
Antonio, but mine's just ice. Well, actually, that one was a bite. I think we could buy that one. I've seen it say like you can get a dragon bite. Take him a
Well, this
recut.
guy is the dragon guy, bro, so that's why he has it all.
We get his sword though. I thought I was dead, man. I couldn't see. Dude, that thing is really one slash.
I think it's 'cause
It might be time to up my health, bruh. You're dead.
There's no
Oh,
way.
wow. It's a bite.
I try to time it. I pressed it right when he bit, but it already hit me.
That hitbox is quite crazy. I got my runes that time though.
I can't believe he did it again right after I stopped him from doing it.
I think he did the magma worm, no? What did it do to me when you after you died? He did like a magma worm and that one shoots a fireball.
What the fuck? I can't believe these things hurt so much. I literally don't know the way,
He's gonna do something.
but stop it. Stop it.
No way.
He killed?
No way.
Jesus Christ.
Of course, I decided to kill him. What a beast. An actual beast.
And then killed me with the fucking dragon bite 3 times in a row.
You know, my first time under the bite. Can't even heal through that shit. I'm pretty sure I'm gonna have to get to like 60 health. I'm getting one shot by too many people. Oh my god, I thought you died. Wait, he hit me through that last time?
Yeah.
Fuck, I didn't see that. Yo, this guy doesn't get knocked for shit.
Yeah.
Dragon man.
I wanted to dodge left, but it was already too late.
Okay, those dildos really are there every time there's a boss. It's like confirmed. He wants me to not get ruined out.
Oh, man.
He like continues his attack.
Yeah, whatever he was gonna do, like he's gonna do it.
So you gotta like, every time you hit him, you gotta just move away again. Like look at him, he just continues that shit.
Watch out the other head. Okay. He's gonna heal.
Yeah.
Oh, damn it. What?
He didn't hurt you. What the fuck?
Okay, yeah, he didn't hurt me because whatever happened was bullshit, 100%. I wasn't even behind him. I mean, in front of him when he did that shit.
Formidable. Katana.
That sounds like fun, bro. Ooh, 152 plus 79. I could actually use this.
I think it's kind of insane. Wait, the great katana from yesterday is also what's it called?
Yeah. What was that red
Oh,
thing
they're
over there?
great katanas, so like big ones. I'm like, you can't even use those with the other ones. This is
Oh,
where
it
we-
has to be
this is where
like
we
this.
fall- This is where we fell down, no?
Yeah, I was wondering what that red thing was.
You could see that from
No,
all the
no.
way over there?
No, I saw it when we spawned in earlier. I just didn't go back to it.
So what's up with the door here?
Grace.
We on the volcano. How many bubbles he gave us? Damn, missing 20k. Yeah, I need one more dexterity and then I'm doing health. This place is fucking insane. Ooh. Made it through a mountain. Wait, this actually might be the volcano. Antonio.
We're even supposed to be here.
Yeah, you're right. Let's actually teleport back to the beginning. Where in the fuck is it? Moving up this thing. Dude, what is that noise? Is that a pelican on the beach? I think that's what it might be. The, what was this called? It's not an RG, right?
Ancient Dragon Man has invaded. We just beat your ass.
Where is he?
Where'd you spawn, cuz? Oh my!
Is he on you?
Yeah.
He's like doing stuff.
No. Watch out, RG. Hey, if we get his sword again, bro, we can double that shit up. Easy.
Oh, wait, we get 2 of them. It's 5 smithing stones. That's all.
I didn't even get that.
Maybe that was from the bird. Gave me enough rooms to level up, though. What is that right there? Can we knock that pot down into it?
What pot?
That pot right over there. Look at that shit. Is that the pot that that dude was holding at one time?
Nah. Yo, what is that? Not malicious one there. Fucking fake bun.
John E. Ring. You stayed in it, huh? Not very good.
Combat's moving from 9.
Alright, can we stop getting invaded? I really want to go up. Actually, hold on. Nah, that looks real, I'll tell you. Why do I always gotta put on bow and arrow for everything? I gotta put bows on too, because you know, this shit just doesn't work. Got his ass.
I would have jumped on it.
Herbalist bell bearing. That was up. I was not expecting that.
Going to the tippity top, the tippity tippity top, the top of the tippity.
Bro, what the hell? This was not this big.
A chest.
Oh, they're just giving
They're
shit out.
just giving them out. That's what. These
Shit,
are
you got
30% of the land between all manners of death of Zaza.
that Zaza. Oh, it's the ultimate high ground for you.
Yeah.
If you can really look.
See the whole map
I
up
see a
here.
teleporter right there. Probably not even a teleporter.
Bro, you can really see the whole map from up here. That's crazy, dude. Like, what the fuck is even over there?
What?
I'm looking.
Oh yeah, that's definitely the dragon volcano. 100%. And I'm pretty sure, you see there's a bridge? I'm pretty sure we have to scale the whole
That's the
thing.
bridge I was looking at, yeah.
I'm gonna go. Pretty cool. Crescent pillar. We come for him.
Yeah.
Oh, I know that area. What would you think the boss is in that area?
Where below us?
Oh, right there where all that yellow
Oh. John Kane.
is. Yeah, good job.
You're welcome.
I'm so lost. It's just that we don't have a fucking map, so I don't know what we've cleared and what we haven't.
Oh. Oh.
Oh,
Where you at, bud? You didn't hear him?
oh look, finally, I Grace.
There's somebody around here moaning in my ear.
Let's find him, bro. Is he a rock? Sounds like he's over here. Oh, I see him.
Here is he. He's down the grace.
Oh, he's over here on the way up. I know who it is. Shut the what an idiot. Alright, man, what do you want, bro? Bam! Egon. Igon. The Destroyer.
What is he doing?
Wait, I can't even talk to him.
Fire Bell!
You made it so
Oh,
I couldn't talk to
Terra
him.
incarnate!
Now I make it so you can't talk to him.
Feast upon your hearts! Mark my words, you too shall know fear! Roar! Can we kill him? What the fuck is this?
Nah, he's supposed to, Bale is the
He doesn't
dragon
turn it
that
on?
is the dragon that fought Plissadex. Plisenium. You were spawning shit, bruh. I'm about to end the game, Antonio. He did a mimic tier.
That's funny.
Wait, the mimic tier is invincible.
Nah, it's almost dead. You got one more hit on it.
Well, that was lame. What was
He
that?
jumped off. He fell off, I think, by accident.
That's cool, I guess. I hope it worked for you. Getting on horses, man.
He just went under the map.
I see why some people do what they do. We need help.
Oh my god. They hurt. Don't get hit.
They don't hurt. It's that stomp. But I just fucked up spamming. I'm so mad. Please tell me there's a Grace in front of you somewhere.
We're doing this?
Yeah. I don't know if you were lost or not.
I didn't know if you wanted to go down there or what.
Nah, you showed me that it was like people just down there. or they're the weakest. Absolutely no match for us.
We got malicious wandered.
You didn't die from that?
It's not a high fall.
So boring. Where do you want to fight this guy?
The ladder there all the time. Let the chain hang low. Yeah.
Whoa. That thing's cool.
Did he jump down?
This
He did
guy's a
jump
master
down.
mage, I'm telling you. Yeah, alright, whatever made you me. Go back to your game, bruh. You could get hurt.
You can. Let's drain the lava.
See, this makes sense right here. What's happening? Okay. You laughing, but it actually pushed me, bro. Now, why would you do that?
Is this the way we're not supposed to be? Wait. Question marks all around, Gabe. Question marks all around.
Yeah?
Yeah.
You don't say. I'm just trying to see which was the right way, which one's not the
Wait,
right
there's a ladder right here.
way. Examine altar? Oh shit, what did I just do? Anvil hammer.
Anvil hammer.
An
Ancient somber smithstone.
Let's go, bro. Antonio, is that a colossal weapon?
I don't
It
think
is.
so.
It is.
I said I
Do
don't
you
think
need
so.
20 faith, though?
I don't know. I don't know that.
39 strength? It doesn't matter. It doesn't scale with faith. Is that fighting music?
Yeah, something's trying to kill me. Help me.
You being dead ass?
Dead BS. So there's no boss in here?
I'm not sure.
Let your chain hang low. Just won't let your ass go.
Castle. Frank Castle. I'm like, there's rocks to this, but like, how do we get back to this? How do we go downstairs? You almost killed him? Is he ass or what?
Why is it not hidden?
Is he
I
good?
don't know what it's doing. He was asked, but I don't know if he was doing
He's
it on
not even
purpose or
dying
what.
now.
Wait, what the fuck? He's a cheater. That's why he wanted me to kill him.
It's pretty simple. You don't gotta tell us twice. Of course, bro. Like, of course, there's some secret shit over here, Antonio.
That's only right.
Wait, what? They're not gonna let us in?
It's not a secret, bro. There's nothing in there.
What is the point?
Oh, I'll be right back.
I'm gonna start trying everything. It really sucks because there is no fucking map, bro. Oh shit. Mushroom sellers, ball bearing.
Buy mushroom.
Ooh, round rod. God damn, what is wrong with this bitch?
He actually died.
He traded. That thing kind of electrocuted the hell out of me. I'm not gonna lie. That thing's a beast. Yo, chill out with all that breathing in my ear. Yo, chill out. It's weird. Like, what could cause that heavy breathing? Why do you do that?
Do a heavy breathing.
I think that's one of the funniest things you do when you sit there and mumble to yourself. Shut the fuck up. Like, what are you on about? How the hell did you get all the way over there, bro? You just keep going. Stop moving. I teleported to you.
Are we gonna go
Yo,
fight the iron?
whoa!
Yeah, this place like crazy. We're not exploring this today. Tomorrow.
I mean, yeah, we're not going in there. I don't even think we're exploring that tomorrow. We're gonna wait. We gotta go back to the top.
Yeah, that is true. We're so far out.
Oh my god, I don't even know where the fuck we went. I mean, we were supposed to cross that bridge. Oh wait, before we get off, let's go do that
Are we
key
killing
inside
this
the
thing?
place. No, put the key in the fucking.
We're not killing this thing?
Do you want to?
That's you.
You want to? You just gotta knock it, right? You got your big things out.
Nah.
Damn it, there's a fucking crab here. Like, this is gonna be stupid as fuck. I love how you just watched. Yo, your POV was insane. Oh my god. What the fuck? Uh-huh. Yo, tell me how this guy didn't do that last time.
Right? Like,
He's just making shit up now? You just stared. There was nothing you could do, really, right?
yeah. I can't block it.
Oh my god. He's still attacking your body. Well, at least the crab is dead now, right? Oh, you stopped, bro. Slow. See, I'm timing shit badly. That was very unclutch of you to not grab that before you.
I mean, I literally pressed Y, but it was like instant.
Press. We spam around here. Do they follow you?
I guess so, bro.
Dude, what is that? Why didn't the first guy go this hard?
I don't know, but this guy fucking. No way Anthony beat all these guys. He said he was mad. Cause imagine doing this solo when the health bar keeps going up every time you die.
This thing's insane.
He should have health bars. Can knock it.
Shut the grab it. You really gotta resist the urge to jump until he hits that foot on the ground. Now I'm dead. There's no getting away from this. My lord.
From that deep is crazy, bro.
That is deep. What's he doing? Is it what I think it is?
Doing the fireballs.
This thing is crazy, bro. My frame aren't even dropping in there. They optimize this guy a lot. He's doing it again. I don't like this guy. Big bucket of fire. There he goes. Oh, again? He's doing it again.
I don't like that they fucking target you. It's crazy.
Oh my god. Oh my god. He's doing it for a fourth time, by the way. I don't know if you're here to witness this, but there he is. Doing it for 4 times in a row. They stopped. Oh my god. And somehow they caught up to me. Oh, 5. 5 in a row. I'm so relieved, bro. What in the fuck does he want me to do?
Yeah.
6. Number 6. Revving up.
The thing is that like it would be cool if
He wants me
if
to
it,
go in here. Like,
that's what I'm
dude.
saying. Like it
Like-
follows you in. So it's like, what are you supposed to do?
There's nothing we can do. This is fucking broken.
7.
Now I really can't get my runes.
If I really chasing me.
Oh, you think it's not making it this far? Oh, you have to stay on him. It's gonna keep doing it.
But there's no way
Yeah,
because
I
then it
literally
just
just
drops the
tried.
floor.
There's no dodging all of them. I just tried to do it.
Be better, bro.
I gotta get in there. I'm
Yeah,
gonna
this
die.
Just run so yeah. Don't get off your fucking horse.
Standing on it.
Sick.
You gotta get off the horse, bro.
He's standing on my runes. No way. Where are the
Man,
runes
shit.
at? They up here?
You ate him.
Wait, I'm stressing over 7k runes. Come over here, bro. You're dead.
That's what that health bar is crazy.
Is it jump?
What's happening, bro? That doesn't feel right.
Dude, this thing's insane.
And it's shooting again.
Fuck, what's it? Why hit your ass?
That's not even.
Hey, I got on my
fair.
horse. It don't matter.
I couldn't get on my horse because it did the fucking broken thing. My health bar is so low.
Yes!
Did you stagger it?
No. Another fucking jump. This guy's acting like a complete fool. Oh, he grabbed me. Okay. And he threw me inside of his fucking pot. Antonio, I am currently in a furnace. And I'm dead. He threw me in his head.
Yeah, I don't know. I don't know if we beat this guy.
We just gotta get in there, bro. We just gotta knock him on it. I mean, that shit it does not work.
My thing is, it doesn't matter about the health because we'll try to.
Like, what am I supposed to do? I'm resetting it. Like, what? Oh, yeah, stand underneath them.
You can't reset it. Malicious Wanderer just spawned in, so I have to die first or kill him.
Yeah, I can't spawn. Finally. Where's his face? It's on your side. I don't think it can do this. No, I really don't.
Horse died. I died what? That's fucking insanity.
No way! Please tell me you got back in time. Dead. There goes my fucking horse. Is that double? Dude, poor horse, man. Beat's dying, though. Oh my god, again!
Okay.
Dude. There goes my horse again. Dude. Is it because I'm not jumping at him? I think I need to jump at him. I'm at 6 heals. Wait, for real? Fuck this guy. Dead for sure. Wow, that's fucking phenomenal. Viridian hidden field.
It's all stamina consumption and mixed physics.
Wait, what?
Remember, it's invisible.
Yeah, bro, you're so cool. Like, you're so elite at the game. That sucks when we get projectiles, right? You fucking asshole. I mean, don't run. Why are you running?
What?
Hey, Tony, we just got another one, you see?
I know. Your presence have been cracked here.
It's another one of the big guys. They're just dying on the map. staying on the map. You picked it.
I think I picked up my runes.
You don't think?
No. I only had 13,000 right there, I think.
I didn't have that much either. But
I
didn't you
had
spend them?
200k before that, no.
I used the key, Antonio. You can come now.
I cannot. Sometimes I think of you. So every time you just spawned and you made a wrong turn every time.
Bro, I just made one wrong turn. What the fuck?
Finger curling lady girl?
I would kill you, but I don't really know what you do.
Look, it's his helmet.
Where?
Oh, such a joy as a sculpted keeper. Oh, as I felt this, forgive this, 'tis such relief after an eternity, as evinced by thy grace. Oh, oh. I implore, this have my son, and take vengeance.
Have my son?
Upon they who betrayed us. Oh, let them my song.
Watchful spirit?
Oh, my song. Oh, my song will I
That shit is
sing
trash, though.
in service to thee. O horn-decked beast from higher sphere delivered, we beg of thee
This
to dance. And O horn-decked beast from welcome, O glory, thou art kind. Pardon me, surely thou must, I prithee, 'tis only plain fare.
scorpions do. Got two of them.
Shouldst thou be, thou art sure to know.
Whatever the fuck that means, man.
Alright, bro.